body and looking at your spirit, and finding out new and different ways to be a part of the community. It helps to grow people, it helps to grow communities and families, to get them engaged in a positive environment.
It's changing the culture and the mental and health atmosphere of the youth, young adults, older adults, elderly people in Boston.
The Hoodfit is not about exercising, getting your mental and physical and spiritual part of your life moving. It's all about being a leader for the next day as well. We need change makers.
Having some sort of community outreach program such as Hoodfit, I feel like utilizes the kids' athletic growth and passions, just the desire to stay healthy.
Getting involved with Hoodfit means that you're going to find different and unique ways to meet your personal goals. It also is a way to get people in your community engaged and acting out together, and I think that's very important and crucial in this community.